We are living in the final days of human-led intelligence. Since the dawn of civilization, the human mind has been the apex of cognition on Earth. But that era is rapidly coming to an end. By the year 2029, Ray Kurzweil predicts that a machine will pass a valid Turing test, not just by tricking us, but by exhibiting intelligence indistinguishable from a human. This isn't just a technological upgrade, it is the singularity. A point in time where technological growth becomes uncontrollable and irreversible, resulting in unfathomable changes to human civilization. Imagine a world where every problem, from climate change to aging, can be solved by an entity more capable than all human minds combined. The engine behind this revolution isn't just code, it's silicon. We are witnessing a hardware explosion unlike anything in history. Companies like Nvidia are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with Blackwell and future architectures, creating chips that are essentially supercomputers in their own right. Massive data centers, sprawling across thousands of acres, are consuming more power than small nations. They are the cathedrals of the 21st century, processing the thoughts of a burgeoning godlike agency. These machines are training on every word ever written, every image ever captured, and every line of code ever programmed. They are learning at a speed that defies human comprehension. Every second, they process trillions of data points, refining their understanding of the world and the human condition. But it's not just about raw power. It's about the architecture of thought. Neural networks are evolving from simple pattern matchers to complex reasoning engines. We are moving from narrow AI, good at one thing, to artificial general intelligence, or AGI. AGI will not sleep, it will not tire, and it will not have the biological limitations of a wetware brain. It will be able to iterate on its own design, leading to an intelligence explosion. This recursive self-improvement is the core of the singularity. Once an AI becomes smart enough to design an even smarter version of itself, the pace of progress will move from linear to exponential. We may see more progress in a single year than we have seen in the last century. The implications are profound. Will you be the master of these machines, or a relic of the past? As AI replaces cognitive labor, the very fabric of our society will be rewoven. The future belongs to those who adapt, those who learn to dance with the silicon gods. We are standing at the threshold of the most significant event in human history. A moment that will define whether we transcend our biological limits or are surpassed by our own creations. Some fear the rise of the machines, while others embrace the potential for a post-scarcity era where human creativity and curiosity are the only limits. Which path will we choose? The Nexus is calling. Welcome to the end of the beginning. Welcome to the era of the singularity.